This message is being transmitted at the request of the United States government. A black male standing at 6 feet and 3 inches has been reported breaking and entering several houses and killing many household members. This man is known as Cory. If you live in South Lyon, Michigan, hide in a basement with you or a loved one. If you are outside and you spot this man, call 911 immediately. The police will come as quick as they can. The items you need for hiding are food, water, and a phone. The weapons this man possesses are a sniper rifle. He is also seen under 33-degree temperatures, but on rare occasions will appear in higher temperatures. When in higher temperatures, he wears a grassy camo suit. This man is very dangerous and has escaped the police force many times. Bring your television downstairs for more updates.